Choosing the right Land Rover wheel spacers carefully considerations of several factors, including the wheel spacer size, the material of the wheel spacers, and the hub-centric of the wheel spacers. By taking these factors into consideration, you can choose the right Land Rover wheel spacers and achieve the best effect. The first thing to consider is the size of the Land Rover wheel spacers. The installation effect is determined by the size of the Land Rover wheel spacers you choose. A thin Land Rover wheel spacer will provide a subtle change in wheel stance, while a larger wheel spacer will provide a more aggressive stance. As these things are different for every vehicle, stock wheels and aftermarket wheels fitted, it is important to choose the right size for your car. We recommend you measure the distance between the fenders and tires of your Land Rover. BONOSS offers a wide range of Land Rover wheel spacer size, from 25mm to 50mm, and has customized service of unconventional thickness, 3mm to 160mm, or even thicker sport. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. In addition, BONOSS also offers OEM/ODM service. The second factor we need to consider is the material of the Land Rover wheel spacers. Land Rover wheel spacers are usually made of aluminum alloy or steel. BONOSS Land Rover wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristics. Even when facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. The third factor is hub-centric. Hub-centric spacers ensure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel for a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer sits on the hub, it can handle more weight and stress than when it's set only on the lug. For this reason, this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than a lug-centric wheel spacer, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a particular vehicle model. BONOSS Land Rover spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Land Rover spacers are components that contact the other part, you need tight tolerant ones. Based on traditional tire spacers, BONOSS Land Rover wheel spacers come with more useful designs, such as FT cooling grooves, learning surface, disassembly notches, and so on. These FT cooling Land Rover wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. The heat dissipation grooves behind the spacers boost the cooling efficiency, reducing brake thermal decay, and improving road safety. By following these tips, you can choose the right wheel spacers for your Land Rover and improve its performance and appearance. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.